She having a dream, a running dream. Oh yeah, Coco's been playing with them. Kind of hard sometimes. Sometimes they squeal. Like, be nice, Coco. Be nice.
There's a melee going on.
What movie? What Woody Allen film?
Midnight in Paris. Remember when you went to see it? When you were,
Cotard?
when you were in Qatar.
That was good. I like that movie.
Well, she was phenomenal.
Yeah, she's really great in everything she does that I've seen.
I bet she's crazy in real life.
Like Edith Piaf.
I would think that actors who can embody so completely, even if you don't know who the character is, necessarily, like, I imagine Judy Davis is probably
Nuts. Yeah, I would imagine that.
Did you see her?
Bigger his head is. He's got a huge head.
A couple of them kind of look like Mr. Potato Head.
Well, Monty's head is enormous, and I hope it's not his Eastern European lineage coming out. Because they breed them much bigger over there. They breed them bigger. They're bigger boned and taller. They have a different standard than we do over here.
Well, maybe you can find a buyer in Eastern Europe then. Oh my God, isn't this?
And how the British, whatever it's called, Kennel Club, is trying to change the standard for bulldogs so that they're...
The English bulldogs are so funny.
They're so unhealthy, though. I wouldn't have one.
But their personality is hilarious. The milk product?
Yeah, it's a Puppy Gold, that big white sack there. It's a milk replacement.
There we go.
The sound of them lapping it up drives me crazy.
Choco crazy?
Yeah.
Because it triggers hormonal response or because it makes them want the food?
She wants it.
Give the camera some room.